welcome to Raccoon Creek State Park. Alright everyone, it's that time yet again for another adventure. And today I'm just right across the border from Ohio into Pennsylvania. Kind of to the west of Pittsburgh, about 40 miles. So over here, this is the main park office. And I'm just going to go and take a look here and see what they have to offer. I've never been to this park before, so I really have no clue what to expect. But I was doing a little bit of reading prior to this video, and it turns out to be a very beautiful location. Alright guys, so this is the park office over here. There's just various regulations, of course, that they're going to showcase here. And apparently, within this park, this is actually the Mineral Springs Loop Trail that I'm going to be completing today. It's a short hike. It's actually pretty easy, for family friendly, and there's a various rock formations and waterfalls throughout this location, so I'm going to go and try to check this out today and see what this location has to offer. There's also mountain bike places, cabin rentals, as you can see. There's cabin activities, overnight backpacking locations, so Raccoon Creek State Park has a lot to offer. Alrighty everyone, so now we are approaching the Mineral Springs Loop Trail. This is actually the start of the trailhead, so this is going to take us to various rock formations as well as a waterfall. Alright guys, just by walking up a little bit, this first sign you can see Mineral Springs Loop Trail straight ahead, as well as the Upland Trail, which is over to the right. And I'm feeling an easier trail today, so I'm going to avoid the Upland Trail and take the Mineral Springs Loop Trail. Just a little background info about Raccoon Creek State Park. It is actually the most visited park in PA, and it also contains over 7,600 acres to explore, as well as 44 miles of hiking trails. As you can see guys, it's a good thing that I brought these hiking boots today because the ground is quite muddy, and that's from a lot of the rainfall recently, as well as the ice melting and snow. Another thing to mention is as you're walking along the trail here, you'll notice several trees marked with this white paint, and that's sort of like an indication of the trail that you're walking on, of course. Another thing worth mentioning, guys, is there's a few historic sites along the way, kind of like ancient ruins from the late 1700s. I believe this entire land was once private property, and there was sort of like a small little village here, so hopefully we'll see some ancient ruins in this episode. It's really nice how this trail kind of runs along this brook over here. It's really peaceful. Alrighty guys, so I just made it out of the loop trail, that first part, And now as we walk up to this direction, you can see there's a sign up here for the Heritage Trail. But I'm still going to continue on the Mineral Loop Trail, the Mineral Springs Loop Trail, because I want to see these waterfalls. Alrighty guys, as you could also see, there's various bridges along the way that makes it a little bit easier to navigate through the forest. They also give you a nice view of the river that's running alongside the creek trail. One thing I have to say, guys, is I'm noticing a lot of similarities between Raccoon Creek as well as Yellow Creek Park in Youngstown, Ohio. For example, some of these steep cliffs walking along the river over here, it just reminds me of Yellow Creek Park. Wow guys, I have to say I'm absolutely impressed by this. Look at how beautiful this little valley up here is. So yeah guys, as we walk along here, I think we are in fact getting closer to our destination. I was talking to a few people along the way, and they said we're definitely getting closer. Oh my god guys, we finally made it to the falls. Look at this up here. This is freaking amazing. Oh my god, this is sweet. Let me try not to get my camera all soaked. This is truly incredible, guys. Oh my god, guys, this place is so cool. Alright guys, that's where we just came from. And you guys may notice this little spot right over here. This is actually spring water that you could drink from. As you can see, it's coming out of this little rock face up here. And it's being collected right down in this little pool. So that's pretty amazing. Alrighty everyone, so I just made it to the top of the hill, and we made it to the actual Mineral Springs Loop Trail marker. So, and look what I found over here, guys. This is those ancient ruins that I was telling you about from the late 1700s, so I believe this was the foundation of either a general store or probably a local surgeon or hospital or something. So it's really interesting. Look at this. Just think of how old this stuff is. A little out of breath here. I shouldn't have wore my winter coat today. I didn't really expect it to be this warm today, but it's beautiful. Look at this. And there's not a cloud in the sky either, so it's a perfect day to go hiking. Oh wow, look at this. Looks like some sort of ancient brick or something. Pretty cool. Let me take my hat back. So yeah guys, it looks like we completed the entire trail. I'm just gonna loop all the way back to my car. And this is pretty much all that I wanted to show you today from Raccoon Creek State Park, located on the western side of Pennsylvania, near Pittsburgh actually. So it's about 38 miles from Pittsburgh. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's travel adventure, and stay tuned for more content coming soon. Alrighty guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's adventure from Mineral Springs Loop Trail at Raccoon Creek State Park, located in Pennsylvania near the Ohio border on the western side. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more travel adventures coming soon.